Hello, I'm recording this video to answer some questions that you at Blackboard support have had about what I'm trying to do and what I have a problem with. This has to do with the recording feature, which I'm showing you on my screen here. It's this thing here, the Create Recording for Feedback. This thing works great, except when I go back into my students' grades after the fact, or if I go into an attempt to re-listen to what I said before, if they've done a new attempt, I can't get the play button to play for me. And that's what the problem is. So this is what I'm talking about. It's your stuff. To show you how I'm getting to it, since you're confused about that too, I'm in this student's grades. I'm getting ready to record her feedback. I click on the A here, and what I'm doing is clicking on, well, it's not showing right now, but this button right over here is the recording button. And if I click on it, you can see that it launches, and it's the video recording thing in Blackboard. I'm letting it use this. I'm using this on my home computer. I have done this successfully from my Mac, which is what I'm using here at home in Chrome, and I've done this successfully at work on my, desktop laptop or desktop computer. That is not a Mac. It's a PC. So that's what I'm doing, and that's what I'm asking for help on. Recording it is great. I can't believe Blackboard does something this great. And it works, and the students love it, but I need to be able to hear what I have said to them in the case of there's some question and they email me and ask about it, or if they've turned in one attempt and now I want to compare what I said before I record new feedback. Or if there's a complaint, I want to be able to play it for my dean and say, this is what I said, and I'm not sure what the student is saying, but this is what I said. So that's why it needs to be accessible for me. So if you guys can figure this out and let me know, I would really appreciate it. Thanks very much.